Hi, my name is Tim Miller and I represent A Better Bee Company. I'm glad to be back and be able to speak with you. Our phone number is 602-705-8231. We're the original beekeeping, bee removal experts in the Valley. We started in the mid-1990s and we've been doing this for over 13 years. I wanted to come to you today and explain a little bit about what you're going to see in your backyard as far as bees. Now, when the bees land in your tree, they're going to be a big black ball of bees, and it's going to be bees all the way through. In this ball, there's going to be anywhere from 5,000 to 30,000 bees. Now understand that bees can fly about 30 miles an hour, so this is not a problem that you want to take care of yourself. Call us. We're the bee removal experts. This is all we do all day long. We don't do cockroaches, spiders, silverfish, or scorpions. We do exclusively bees and things that fly and sting. We also do wasps. Now when you find these bees in your backyard, probably you're going to first be a little afraid. And what you're going to see is a big black ball of bees that kind of is oftentimes about this size right here. This star represents them. And they'll be hanging on a branch, something like this, or they'll be hanging up here and hanging down. This is going to be solid bees throughout this whole ball, okay? When you see that, immediately get your dogs in the house. If you have pets, dogs or cats. If you're running a lawnmower, stop. Bees don't like lawnmowers. They don't like the subsonic vibrations. It'll cause that bee swarm to explode, and the first thing they're going to do is come after you. Now if that does happen, run in the house as fast as you can. Then you'll only get stung by the bees that are on you, but you'll get away from the main body of the swarm, okay? Then go in the house and call us. Our phone number is 602-705-8231, and we will immediately dispatch an expert bee removal technician to your home or place of business. Okay, I want to show you here now another place on the home that we'll often find bees.